everybody, and welcome back to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide, is it worth it or not for you? Today is my July Ipsy bag, which is adorable and I love it. It's that like plasticky kind of bag that's probably mostly waterproof, water resistant. It's got a brush hanging out of it because I had an add-on brush and I needed to determine which one was which. Speaking of add-ons, let me get into those first before I get into the actual bag. But first, Ipsy is a monthly subscription, in this case bag instead of box, and it comes with 5 items, mostly travel size or like deluxe sample size, but occasionally you get a full size like lip color or sometimes single pan eyeshadows that are a full size, or brushes, because brushes don't have sample sizes, generally speaking. And you also get the ability to add on 8 products with your bag when you buy it. Obviously you pay extra for those, but I added on 3 this month. So I got myself another SL Miss Glam blending brush, which I love these. I have one of these in a pink glitter, just a solid pink glitter that I got in one of my bags, and this one is kind of a pink gold and silver, like on the inside here. It's lighter color, but still a taper blending brush. Love that. I also got myself some lip gloss from Pixi. It's kind of a like rosy color. It's in the color Sheer Rose. Surprisingly, it's a rosy color. But yeah, it's just some sheer lip gloss. I'll take the plastic off of it later. And then the thing I'm most excited about, so I really like the Balm. I like that they're an independent brand. They produce and make all of their makeup in the USA, specifically like in California for the most part. So I have one of their AutoBalms already. Somewhere, my makeup, here we go. So I currently have the Day to Night one, which it looks like this on the inside. It's really difficult to get open. It's a primer and then some eyeshadows on here. Mostly shimmers and then a couple of mattes. So I got the Pick Perfect version of it as well. And this one's got a lighter color primer here, some darker mattes, and then some shimmers as well. It is super cute. Like, as you can see, it is palm size. They also have a like cheek palette, which I'm probably tempted to get. I have one of the pans from the cheek palette that I also got from Ipsy, but yeah, super cute. Definitely happy with that, which makes sense because I picked it out myself. Okay, let's get into my actual glam bag here and see. Let's get into my actual glam bag and see what the 5 products are. The first product didn't fit in the bag, even more than the brush didn't fit in, and it is a set of sheet masks. So it is this Shea Butter Nourishing Mask and this British Rose Nourishing Mask, both from Huang Jisoo, which is a K-beauty brand, and from like Dr. Huang Beauty Labs up the top there, which is cool. So this one is a British Rose Hydrating, Shea Butter Nourishing. I like that when you get masks, generally you get 2 masks instead of just 1. And a mask is a full-size product, so that's pretty exciting. So the Shea Butter one is good for extremely dry skin, oil, moisture imbalance, or uneven skin texture. Now I have oily skin, but I do sometimes have I have combination skin, so I think this might work for the like oil moisture imbalance. And then the hydrating is good for rough skin, dry, and tired skin. Tired skin, something that I have because it's been so hot here, I haven't been sleeping. You may not be able to tell because I look pale as it just all get out right now. I haven't just gone outside and my lights make me look very pale. It's super fun. I mean, I am pale, but not normally like translucent pale. Woo, this summer has been a trip, guys. Just a trip. Okay, let's pull out my brush. So it's a Luxie brush. It looks like it's also a blending brush. It's not a tapered one. It's just a regular blending brush. Oh, it's one of the ones with the like little divots here, like so you can hold on to it better. I think supposedly that helps you hold it. I don't know. I hold them from the other end, so I don't know. I like Lexi brushes. They're fine. It's a fine brush. It's nice packed. It's pretty soft actually. And I love blending brushes. So great. Okay, let's see. Oh, here's the card. Today's card, the July 2020, says take a break. It says airplane mode your phone, put a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize, whether it's a living room, dance party, or bold lipstick. Take a break from the ordinary, let loose, and go with the flow. Where will it take you? And then it's just got some like beauty staycation. At least they know their market of people who are stuck at home because we live in the US and can't, just stuff is bad. We're going to leave it at that right now. But it's got like, do a pedicure, do some like skincare, dance, a massage, and just take care of your hair, basically. That's what it says. Oh, and then it has a thing on the back here for glam bag packing list. Oh, it says it's a $50 value. I forgot this has a value, supposedly. It doesn't really matter because I kind of like it for the ability to test different things, like brands I wouldn't normally get to because they're either too expensive or I've never heard of them before. But yeah, it's fun. So the next thing in here is actually from Levito, which I had in one of my first boxy charms, a thing that was for dry, mature skin, a thing that I do not have. This one is a hydrating facial cleanser, which is for normal to dry skin. Man, this dry skin, I swear all of my things say I have oily skin, but whatever. It's a cleanser. It's less of an issue. A tiny cleanser from Levito. The cleanser I got in the Bossy Charm was like $90, so I assume this is actually a decent amount of money. Next in here is the thing I picked myself, and I believe this is probably a full size. It is from Koki Professionals. It is Crystal Fusion Liquid Eyeshadow. It's like the Stila glitter glow, like down to the applicator and the thing here. Let me swipe some on the back of my hand. I think I can get a glitter and glow from Boxy. Maybe their next add-on or their pop-up will have it. Well, I'll try that. It is a, like, let's see, the color is Polaris, but it is a, like, coppery gold, very, very shiny eyeshadow, which I am all for. It's very glittery, though. Like, very glittery. Like, the back of my hand, you probably can't see it, but it's covered in glitter still, even though I just wiped it off. So, whatever. I picked it because I wanted to test it. And we're down to my last product in here, which is also from the Balm. So I myself picked out something from the Balm. I think I may have actually known that this was in there beforehand, but I don't know. So this is Will Powder Blush, and it is in the shade Worth the Wait. Let me see if I can get it out. It's in this little like container here. So when I get it out and show you, I'll talk about it because this is a really cool product. Okay. Oh my gosh. I like can't get it open. So here is the shade. It's like a glowy blush. Let me get it on the back of my hand to show you what it actually looks like. Yeah, it's real glowy. It's ooh, there we go. See all that shimmer in there? It's not super pigmented. It's definitely more a little dark, but it is very, very glowy. So the really cool thing about this Will Powder, it is from their new line. So they've got two products so far. It's their green line. It's technically Clean Beauty. Clean Beauty doesn't really mean anything, but green packaging. So what's really cool about this is it doesn't use anything that you can't recycle. So once this is completely panned, there is an ability in the back here to pop out the actual pan itself to recycle the whole packaging. And I'm pretty sure that the pan is made out of aluminum, so you can definitely recycle it. But it doesn't have magnets, and it has a little sticky, like the little gummy sticky things, which I like. But it comes in a palette, like 4 colors that I've been tempted to get, and I wanted to test this before I actually get it myself. But yeah, it says, I cleaned up nicely, and so can you. Please recycle this packaging. So that, like, kind of dedication to like recyclable packaging is really great, and I'm really happy that they're doing this, and I think more brands should do that because so much plastic packaging is just going to go in the landfill, whereas if you actually work at it, you can get a lot more paper and recyclable like cardboard packaging for your products, and still like it might not look as like fancy or as nice, but it's better for the environment overall. The Balm currently has this eyeshadow, or this blush palette, the Will Powder palette, and it also has a bronzer, which I can't remember what its name is right now. They have all the like fun names and all the cute like packaging and all that. Like you can see this one looks like a license plate, and it's got kind of a pin up in the middle. But yeah, I really like the Balm's products as well. So I've got their Mary Luminizer eyeshadow, and I love the packaging, and the fact that they have started this new line of like green products is really cool, and I hope more people, more companies get on it. Don't worry about that. Okay, so that's it. My 5 products in my bag were the Will Powder Blush, the Causemetics Crystal Fusion eyeshadow, the Levito Hydrating Facial Cleanser, and the Luxie Blending Brush, and the two sheet masks from Dr. Huang Beauty. So overall, pretty good. It's kind of a weird mix this month. I got a brush, a cleanser, a blush, an eyeshadow, and a mask. Like nothing is really repeated. But oh, I was gonna read. It's the Luxie 205 package shade. That's what brush this is. I just got some new Luxie brushes too from somewhere. They're not the same ones, but I have so many Luxie brushes. And I'm happy with my add-ons because these two especially. I mean, I'm so excited for this teeny tiny palette. Perfect for travel. And with that, that brings me to the end of this bag. Thank you so much for watching. While you're here, if you could hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications so you know when I upload videos. Feel free to drop a comment down below if you have a video, or not a video, if you have a box that you'd love to see me open, or something you'd like to try me find. Or something you'd like me to try and find. I'm on the lookout right now for one. But other than that, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day. Bye!